Engineer Kasigwa nagira ngu ihanga ryirire heihi na nokutunga amajuta gayo ago kubanza omwaka gw'2026 gurukwa konka hakiriho ebicyetengesebwa okukorwa ekitongore kya Petroleum Authority of Uganda nka okupima no kurebeka ngu buri itondo ery'amajuta agarukuruga omu itaka gabarwa kurungi nekigendererwa ekyo kurebeka ngu amajuta ga Uganda gahika aha mutindo gw'amajuta g'ensi yona.
We ramp up towards the fast oil. It's important that now we even work even closer in aspects of metering so that we ensure that every drop of oil that comes out of the ground is calculated, and also in ensuring that our oil meets the international standards.
Executive Director wa Uganda National Bureau of Standards yashobora ngu eby'amajuta omwihanga lya Uganda bishorongiwe kurungi kandi ebitongore by'obushubuzi n'abantu babutosha kubarabe barebe kubyejumbera mu kurungi bashemerire kuba beine mitendera ibara yatambureho.
Those who supply every input, whether it's food, whether it is services, actually we have certification schemes to support the enterprises to meet the requirements or the standards in the oil and gas sector. And it's important to remember that the oil and gas sector is highly regulated.
Ekibiina ky'omutindo gw'ebintu ekya UNBS kiriyo nikitebeekanisa okweguraho za ofisi n'amacoberero omu bicweka ebitari bimwe na bimwe by'ihanga ezirakozesebwe omu kupima n'okucebera omutindo gw'amajuta.
We are looking to decentralize our facilities first to the regional offices, that's Mbarara, Gulu and Bale. Then because this is in the oil-rich area, we are also looking to open our offices and our laboratories and test facilities in the oil region, dedicated to supporting all those enterprises in the oil ecosystem.
Bwanyuma y'ebyo Dr. Joseph Kobusheshe ari mukuru w'ebyobuhangwa mu kitongore kya PAO yashobora ngu hariho ebintu byingi ebibahereze kwikirizanaho okumara omwanya muringwa nkabe ekitongore ky'ebyamajuta ekya Petroleum Authority of Uganda.
So we are currently working together, having a discussion around the metering. How do we ensure that the crude that is going to be produced is measured accurately? The UNBS comes in very much as an important stakeholder. The certifications that are required to achieve the desired quality control and assurance levels that we require to achieve. Again, we work very closely with the UNBS.
Yashakwa Gad Asaba ahabwa tayari West.